Hi there, welcome back. Today's topic is gerunds. We'll find out what they are, look at some examples, and practice. Let's get started. So, what is a gerund? A gerund is a form of a verb, and it's also known as the present participle. You may recognize gerunds as verbs with the ing ending added at the end of the verb. Now, if you'll recall, a verb is something that tells what the subject, someone or something, is doing. We can also call these action verbs. So let's look at some examples of gerunds. We'll start with the verb base, then add ing at the end. The verb walking would be formed by adding the word walk to the ending of ing. Now running, when you spell running in English, you add another end at the end, and then you add ing to form running. Sleep plus ing would make sleeping, and eat plus ing would form eating. Let's try it out with this paragraph. Which words are gerunds to the right? Today in PE class, we learned about the importance of healthy eating habits. We also learned that walking and swimming are great exercises. We also completed a running challenge in our team. The words underlined here are the gerunds. They all have a verb base plus ing at the end. Now we'll talk a little bit about gerunds plus the word go. You may see go followed by a gerund in writing or in conversation with others. So pay attention as you read or listen to English language. Number 1 says, we like to go dancing on Friday nights. Number 2, my son wants to go camping for his birthday. So we're going to go do an action or a verb, and in this case, these are both examples of gerunds. Okay, our last slide talked about going to do something in the future. Now we'll look at gerunds in a passive form, or something that already passed. You may see the words being, having, and having been used in this example. Number 1 says, I appreciate being included in this group. Number 2, I enjoyed having had the opportunity to study abroad. I enjoyed something that already happened. And number 3, I appreciate having been informed of the plans. Great job looking at gerunds today. We looked at examples and using them with go or in the passive sense. I'm certain you've seen some of these before. What other gerunds can you think of? Please come back for more content at Miss April's English, and see you again.